Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to buy and sell meme coins using Trojan web app, step by step, beginner friendly, no complicated stuff. So before starting video, if you haven't joined Trojan website, you can use our referral code CryptoWhalexx, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can use our referral link, which is available into the description of this video. If you join through our referral code or referral link, you can save money on your transaction fees forever. So what is Trojan web app? Trojan web app is the browser version of the Trojan trading bot. Instead of typing commands in Telegram, you trade using buttons and charts. It's cleaner and easier for beginners. So first of all, open the official website. Okay, open the official website. This is the trojan.com official website. Double check the URL, or you can also bookmark it. Okay, by just tapping this start button, and then you can bookmark it. Never click random links from DMs. Okay, so here's step 2, connect your wallet. Now connect your wallet. You can just connect your wallet through this option. Okay, choose Phantom or your Solana wallet and approve connection. Make sure you have some Sol inside for buying tokens and paying gas fees. So right now I have no Solana tokens into my account. I'm just showing you the process how it's going to work. Okay, so here's the step 3, adjust basic settings. Like before buying anything, go to setting and set slippage 10 to 15% for beginners, priority fee medium, and default buy amount. These settings prevent failed trades. Okay, so here's a step for buying a meme coin. In order to buy a meme coin, you can search and paste the token contact address in the search section, or you can go to the explore section and you can search for your favorite coin here. So we go with this coin, and then you can buy this coin through this buy button. Here you can enter your Solana amount. So after putting your amount, click buy and confirm in your wallet. So done, you now own the token. So here's a step 5, selling a meme coin. To sell, go to your positions. This is the position section, or you can also call it as a portfolio section. Here you will see all the token address and the wallets here. Okay, so choose how much to sell. So if I click on this position, you will see there I have no tokens here because I haven't purchased any of the meme coins here. Okay, so when you have your meme coins purchased, you will see the list of your tokens here. Okay, so choose how much to sell, like 25%, 50%, or 100%. You can select your option from here. Okay, and after that, click sell and confirm transaction. So always consider taking profits in parts. So here is step 6, basic risk control, which is very important. Don't go all in, start small. Okay, and check liquidity before buying. Avoid tokens with huge single wallets holding supply. Meme coins move fast, so both up and down. So here's a beginner profit strategy. Here's a simple beginner plan for you guys. So you can take 50% profit at 2x, move your stop loss to break even, and let the rest run. This protects your capital. So if you haven't joined this Trojan Bot trading platform, please make sure to use our referral code, which is CryptoWhalexx, or you can use our referral link, which is available into the description of the video. So here are common mistakes that you have to avoid. So don't buy just because of hype. Don't ignore the fees, and don't trade emotionally. Stick to your plan. So if this beginner guide helped you, hit the like button and press the subscribe button. Comment web if you want advanced Trojan web strategies next. Trade small, stay safe. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.